Hope you guys enjoyed the... Jeez. It's like a gunshot there. What the heck? That was close. I got a new microphone on the GoPro, so you can probably hear me talking a lot better. Hopefully it's not too loud. You're probably gonna hear me breathing a lot, but at least you can hear me talking, which really isn't a good thing because I don't ever know how to talk. I can't ever come up with words. So this should be great. We're gonna go on a quick ride. Once again, I don't have a whole lot of time, so we'll see how it goes. It's beautiful. A little brisk today. I was gonna say this morning, but it's this afternoon. Almost this night. I mean, this video might be a bust. It might be way distorted. I really don't know. Hopefully it's not too bad though. This is actually the first trail I rode this year. And boy, have the colors changed since I first rode it. I rode it in like first part of June, I believe. Or middle of, yeah, I think it was the first part of June. It's actually the second trail I rode. It's a fun one, pretty easy one, and it's really pretty. Saw a collared moose on it last time, which is cool. Bike sounds a little gunked up. It'd still be a little cold, but I think it'd be warm by now. Just me. Man, I give it to the mountain bikers. That's hard work. It's hard riding dirt bikes sometimes, but that's definitely harder. In certain scenarios. I mean, it's a leg burner. If you get on really technical stuff, on a big 4-stroke especially, because, you know, 4 strokes, it might be tougher. My bad, just me. Okay. It's muddier up here than I expected it to be. It hasn't really... It rained a couple days ago, but I don't think it rained very long. Obviously rained more than I thought. So I mentioned in my last video, but I repacked my silencer, and I had never done it on this bike, but I can definitely feel the more low-end power. It feels good. Also sounds a little bit better. It's still not... I kind of ran out of packing, so I wasn't able to pack it like as good as I need to. But there's only a few more days of riding left up here, so I figure like I'll do with what I have. I'll just repack it again in the winter. But it's definitely deeper. It was kind of higher pitch sounding, like raspy. I don't know how 2-strokes are kind of raspy in general, but it sounded kind of funny. But it's a little deeper now. I never knew that was like so important, but it really does make a difference. Either I got some on my helmet flapping or there's gunshots. Someone's shooting at me. Thought I'd heard gunshots and I wasn't lying, there was gunshots. When I was riding I was like, is that gunshots? But maybe we'll be able to hear it in the video. I was like, maybe it's my helmet's flapping around or something, but then I came around a corner and stopped hearing it. Came around a little hill. These views though, not insane or what? So geez. See you later. Those are the guys I was talking to. Just a dad and his son going out for a night ride. It's a good dad right there. Ooh-wee, that's pretty. For next year I'm definitely going to get a light. Probably just one of those helmet lights that I think they're like $100 or something. Can't remember the brand, but heard good things about them. Probably grab one of them. It'd be fun to go on a night ride. I don't know how good they work. Like, I mean, I've heard good things about them, but maybe that's for people that already have light on their bike too, so it just adds. But grab one of those, so when it does get darker I can see better. No, I need to get up here sooner. I come up for a morning ride or something. Jeez. Come up on a morning ride. I don't have to worry about it getting dark. I'm always chasing the sun. It's hard though because I love riding this time of night. It's just a fun time to ride. It's really pretty. Temperatures always feel good. Which honestly is the same in the morning. So I don't know what I'm rambling about. I don't classify myself as that good of a rider, but it does make you wonder if I ever got a 300 after riding this thing around, I might not be a bad rider after all. Put someone really good on a 300 on this and see how he'd ride them. Assuming they would ride pretty good. A dirt bike's a dirt bike. This one just doesn't handle very good, and it doesn't stop. It just goes fast. That's all these 500s do, is go fast. Other than that, they rattle, they don't stop, and they don't turn. Which is why I love it. I sure can't find neutral whenever I'm stopped, but I can sure find it when I'm riding. A few of these areas it's kind of hard to see the trail with these leaves that have fallen because they've fallen everywhere, so it all looks the same. Thank you, just me. almost went over there. It's getting dark. I'm pretty close to my truck though, so not a problem. Well, that's going to conclude my video for today, so hope you guys enjoyed the... Jeez. Sounded like a gunshot there. What the heck? That was close. What the heck was it? It sounded like a gunshot. Or that car backfired. One of the two. I don't know, it scared me. But that's going to conclude my video for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Nice little quick afternoon ride. Nothing too crazy. But I had a good time. Hopefully the sound was better. Like I said, I got this external mic. So hopefully it made it sound better. Get some better audio for you guys. You can hear me talk and probably breathe and snort and do everything. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Coolant's still leaking, bolts are still coming out. That's what it's all about.